Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to start over with your Instagram account and get rid of the hundreds of people you follow but don't know? In this video, I will show you how to easily unfollow everyone on Instagram in one go using these simple and effective methods. Let's go. If you want to stop following everyone on Instagram, you can take advantage of the least interacted with feature. Go to your Instagram profile and tap on Following. Once you are in your following list, you will see the Least Interacted With option. This feature displays the accounts you've interacted with the least over the past 90 days. You can choose to unfollow many users from the list by just clicking the Following button. When you are done, go back to your profile, pull down to refresh, and access the Least Interacted With list again. This way, the users on the list will be updated. Another method you can use if there's no Least Interacted With feature in your account is the Sort By feature. This feature shows who you followed latest and earliest. Please note that you cannot unfollow more than 200 users per day. I also don't recommend downloading third-party apps that claim to allow you to unfollow a large number of users, as this is not allowed by Instagram's policies and may result in your account being suspended. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.